Suppose we have these two variables, first name and last name, and we need to print a welcome message with full name. Normally we will do it like this: print hi space, concatenate the first name, one more concatenation to add a space, and finally concatenate last name. So you see, too many concatenations, so it's pretty tedious and it's even hard to read as well. Well, fortunately we have another method which is much cleaner and more readable, and that is formatted string. Let me show you how that works. So print formatted string starts with F quotes, and now we will write everything within these quotes. So hi, need to add first name variable, simply use curly braces and put first name space, and finally put last name. So F and then everything within the quotes, and wherever we need to add variable, simply enclose it by curly braces. Let's take a look now, and here we get the welcome message printed by formatted string. Beautiful. So use formatted string whenever you have a dynamic string including variables, and get rid of the old concatenations method.